Hello children, I am Subhashish. Previously, we have learned about simple linear equations and how to construct simple linear equations. In this part, we are going to learn how to solve linear equations and find solutions to simple linear equations. After the completion of this lesson, you will be able to know learning outcomes. To solve simple linear equation problems, to understand the concept of linear equations, to learn to solve simple linear equations in one variable. Keywords from this lesson: algebraic expression, variables, simple equation, degree, and linear equation. Now let us see the solution to the linear equation. The value which replaces a variable in an equation to make the two sides of the equation equal is called a solution or root of the equation. Example: 2x is equal to 10. We find that the equation is satisfied with the value x is equal to 5. That is, if we put x equals to 5 in the equation, the value of the LHS will be equal to RHS. Thus, x is equal to 5 is a solution to the equation. Note that no other value for x satisfies the equation. Thus, one can say x equals to 5 is the solution of the equation. The do-undo method. Five less than twice a number is 11. The number needed is unknown. So let's take it as x. Twice the number gives 2x. 5 now is less than 2x minus 5. The result is given to be 11. This formation of the equation can be visualized as follows. Number unknown, then multiplied by 2 and then subtracted by 5. That is how we get the equation over there. 2x minus 5 is equal to 11. From the number x, we reached 2x minus 5 by performing operations like subtraction, multiplication, etc. So when 2x minus 5 is equal to 11 is given, to get back to the value of x, we have to undo all that we did. Thus, we do to form the equation and undo to get the solution. Example: solve the equation x minus 7 is equal to 6. Solution: given x minus 7 is equal to 6. Now we add 7 to both the sides. So that becomes x minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 6 plus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 cancels, and then we have x is equal to 6 plus 7 is 13. Example. Solve the equation 3x is equal to 51. Solution. Given 3x is equal to 51, 3 into x is equal to 51. We expand and now we divide 3 on both the sides. So that becomes 3 by 3 into x by 3 is equal to 51 by 3. 3 and 3 cancels out. We are left with x by 3 is equal to 51 by 3. Three 17 times is 51. X is equal to 17. Transposition method. The shifting of a number from one side of an equation to other is called transposition. For the above example, doing an addition of 7 on both sides is the same as changing the number minus 7 on the left hand side to its additive inverse plus 7 and adding it on the right hand side. Example. X minus 7 is equal to 6. We transpose minus 7 to the right hand side. That is x equals to 6 plus 7 and we get x is equal to 13. Think. Can you get more than one solution for a linear equation? Solution. Yes, we can get it. Consider the below line or equation x plus y is equal to 5. Here, when x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4, when x is equal to 2, y equals to 3, x equals to 3, y equals to 2, x equals to 4 and y equals to 1, hence we get multiple solutions for the same linear equation. Example. Solve 2x plus 5 is equals to 9. Solution. Given 2x plus 5 is equal to 9, now we transpose 5 to the right hand side. So it becomes 2x is equals to 9 minus 5, which is 2x equals to 4. X equals to 4 by 2. 2 cancels 4 2 times. So we get the value of x is equals to 2. Example. Solve 4y by 3 minus 7 is equals to 2y by 5. Solution. Rearranging the like terms. These both are the like terms. So 4y by 3 minus 2y by 5 is equals to 7, where we transpose minus 7 to the right hand side becomes plus 7. We take the LCM, we get 15. 3 into 5 and 5 into 3 gives us 15. The numerator also gets multiplied. So 20 y minus 6y by 15 is equal to 7. Now we transpose 15 to 7, it becomes the multiplication, which is 14y is equals to 7 into 15. Y is equals to 7 into 15 by 14. 7 times 2 is 14. Hence, the value y is equals to 15 by 2. Think. An equation is multiplied or divided by a non-zero number on either side. Will there be any change in the solution? Solution. Not be any change in the solution. An equation is multiplied or divided by two different numbers on either side. What will happen to the equation? Solution. When an equation is multiplied or divided by two different numbers on either side, there will be a change in the equation and accordingly the solution will also change. Example. Find two consecutive natural numbers whose sum is 75. Solution. The numbers are natural and consecutive. Let the numbers be x and x plus 1. Given that x plus 1 is equal to 75. Now opening the brackets, we get x plus x, which is 2x plus 1 is equals to 75. Now subtract 1 on both the sides. So we get 2x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 75 minus 1. Plus 1 and minus 1 is 0. So that becomes 2x plus 0 is equal to 75 minus 1 is 74. Now we divide by 2 on both the sides. 2x by 2 is equals to 74 by 2. 2 and 2 cancels out. X equals to 237 times gives us 74. That is where the value of x is 74. And now we substitute the value of x in the equation x plus 1 and we get 37 plus 1 is equals to 38. Therefore, the required numbers are 37 and 38. Example. A person has rupees 960 in denominations of rupees 1, rupees 5 and rupees 10 notes. The number of notes in each denomination is equal. What is the total number of notes? Solution. Let the number of notes in each denomination be x. Then x plus 5x plus 10x is equals to 960. Let's take out x common. 1 plus 5 plus 10 of x is equals to 960. Adding them up, we get 16x is equals to 960. Now let's divide 16 into both sides. 16x by 16 is equal to 960 by 16. 16 and 16 cancels. We have x equals to 960 by 16, where 16 times 60 is 960. So x value is equals to 60. Therefore, x equals to 60. Thus, the number of notes in each denomination is 60. Example. In an examination, a student scores 4 marks for every correct answer and loses 1 mark for every wrong answer. If he answers 60 questions in all and gets 130 marks, find the number of questions he answered correctly. Solution. Let the number of correct answers be x. Thus, the number of wrong answers is equals to 60 minus x. Then, 4x minus 1 of 60 minus x is equals to 130. Now, after opening the brackets, we get 4x minus 1 into 60 minus 1 into minus x, which is plus x, is equals to 130. 4x plus x minus 60 plus 60 equals to 130 plus 60. we add 60 on both the sides. Minus 60 plus 60 cancels. We have 4x plus x, which is 5x, plus 0 is equals to 130 plus 60 is 190. We have 5x equals to 190. And now we divide 5 on both the sides again. So that gives 5x by 5 is equals to 190 by 5. Cancelling 5, we have the value of x, that is 38. Therefore, x equals to 38. Hence, the number of the correct answer is 38. Points to remember. An algebraic equation is an equality involving variables. It says that the value of the expression on one side of the equality sign is equal to the value of the expression on the other side. A linear equation may have for its solution any rational number. The utility of linear equations is in the diverse applications. Different problems on numbers, ages, perimeters, combinations of currency notes, and so on can be solved using linear equations. Thanks for watching.